Hi there, my name is Anthony Espinoza here conducting a repair test for Ernesto Alonso for his claim on his roof. We were given 8 shingles for repairs, so I'm conducting the repair test accordingly. This is one of the shingles that was given for repairs on the front slope, so I will be removing the damaged shingle. I have a photo of it, but you can see here that the shingle is 39 and a quarter inches. This shingle actually we found out is no longer produced. It's a discontinued shingle. This is the closest we could find to do a repair test right here. This architectural shingle, it is a GAF natural shadow. This one is a little bit shorter, so right off the bat, I mean that should be a failed repair test, as you are not supposed to do a repair on a roof with shingles of different dimensions, whether it's length, width, shingle exposure. But I will continue to test. And here we go. So first, I'm going to have to loosen the top 2 courses to be able to remove the damaged shingle. And I will begin that process now. To remove the damaged shingle. Now fairly easily. Now I'm going to carefully remove any nails that might be blocking the new shingle from being installed. I'm trying to find it with my hand. Once I do, I will remove the nail. Trying to be as careful as possible, but as you can see, there's a lot of granule loss already. Granule loss is not purely cosmetic. It does affect the shingle's integrity and ability to protect the roof. Nails I do have to put back there. Alright, seems all the nails have been removed that need to be removed. So now I'll begin installing the new shingle. Already, I mean, the shingle's in, but this is one of the key factors. You are not supposed to use a shingle that has a higher exposure. It's small, but it is greater than what is currently installed, and it's lined up as it should be. You can see here, I'll use this nail line. First, I have to secure the shingles above that were loosened. So We will begin that process now. This shingle does have to be reinstalled here with the new nail. Not trying to lift the shingle egregiously, it's just what has to be done. And normally on a shingle, 4 nails is the minimum requirement, 6 is for ideal securement for maximum wind resistance. So we do 1 on each corner, and then 2 sets of snake bites in the middle areas of the shingle. And I'll show you what I mean by that. This one was not secure either. You can see here, this one came loose to be able to take out the shingle. And actually, so already, I'm not sure if you can see here, this shingle, I just put in a new nail. This shingle just tore right here. So I mean, when you have any kind of damage occurring on surrounding shingles, that is an automatic fail. So this shingle is just ripped and is not properly secured. You try to get a nail in a better placement. Have to go a little higher off the nail line. That is a little more secure. But now also there's creasing here that wasn't present prior. To be able to get this nailed in properly. And now continue nailing these other ones in. I mean, there's severe creasing there that wasn't present. This one also has some creasing just from trying to get those corners nailed in. This also, the nail is popped through, so I'll have to secure this top one. Probably causing a little more creasing on that one again. Continue moving along. Now we did this corner. Oh yeah, this is the one that tore. So now I've done that corner, so right here we'll do 2 snake bites. Already some new creases there. 2 more snake bites here. severe granule loss. I mean, these shingles creasing here, creasing here. This shingle that tore, several fails already, and I'm not even done yet. This one up top also needs to be resecured. As you can see, it's not properly fastened. Also more creasing occurred there, trying to secure this one here. Now to fasten the new shingle. Severe granule loss, creasing. I mean, there's creasing and granule loss all over. That was severe creasing there that occurred. Trying to resecure the shingles above the newly installed shingle. So with that, I mean, we have several areas right here. That is new creasing. We had the shingle here that tore underneath from trying to repair. We also have new creasing present here, trying to resecure the two courses above, and new creasing here that was not present. These shingles are no longer pliable. They are beyond their life. Repairing the roof any further would cause more damage along the entire roof. We have a shingle on the back that was given for repairs. Right here you can see there's one that has been completely displaced, and there's a few over on that slope there. Any of these shingles that we replace are going to have the same outcome. This roof is not repairable. The only way to bring this home to proper pre-loss condition is for a full replacement with this failed repair attempt and the fact that the shingle is discontinued and no longer available. So with that, thank you for your time.